Hey everyone, welcome back to LevelUP Gamers, the place where your game dev journey goes full speed. Today, we're diving into part 3 of our Tom and Jerry Endless Runner in Unity. In this video, we'll make the camera follow Jerry smoothly as he runs. Keep Jerry centered so you can focus on dodging obstacles and add a simple camera follow script anyone can understand. If that sounds good, smash that like button and let's jump in. Go to your scripts folder, right-click, create, C# script, name it. CameraFollow, double-click to open and replace the code with this. Select the main camera in the hierarchy. Click Add Component. Search for CameraFollow drag. Jerry from the hierarchy into the target field. Set an offset like 200 or tweak it until it looks perfect. You can adjust smooth speed to control how fast the camera catches up. Hit play, move Jerry using a /D keys. Camera should follow him smoothly. Try tweaking the offset and smooth speed in play mode to get a feel for it. Stop and apply those values after testing. That's it for part 3. Jerry moves smoothly. The camera follows him seamlessly. We even clamped it so it doesn't move backward. In part 4, we'll obstacles collision detection, so don't forget to smash the like button, subscribe to LevelUP Gamers. Drop a comment if you want a parallax effect too. Thanks for watching. Now, go build something awesome and I'll see you in part 4.